Hello everyone, السلام عليكم الدراري. Today I'll show you how to change your code C# to C++ or C++ to C#. المهم الدراري اليوم غادي نشوفو كيفاش نبدلو الكود من C# ل C++ ومن C++ ل C#. المهم التولز ما فيها لا تيليشارجي لا والو. tools website tools, no virus, no extra. And the tools you can convert wheel, you can copy نسخ, you can download txt like I do anything here, convert, download, you take your output, okay, you take it, okay. Clear مسح. Okay, here you cannot change different, okay, C# so to C++ or C++ to C#, okay, like that. In here you cannot change your language, Arabic, French, English, okay. I turned English, no problem. If you okay, okay, if in French extra, okay. Easy. And to future I can change to Python and Archery. No problem, let's go now. المهم نمشيو للفيجوال ستوديو and go to your Visual Studio project, and you wanna like okay, join my server Discord to get free safe code. That's safe code 100%, okay. Example, I wanted the wall hack ping in my project, but the code C#, not C++. I can't work in my project. If you have C#, you can use normal, okay, you can use the code normally. Or if you have C++, follow step, okay. Go copy the code, okay, and go to websites. I give me English and حط الكود تاعنا. Easy, paste your code here and type convert. If you type convert, you check it. Your okay, no, I want like that. C# to C++. Doing this and convert and your code here. Just copy or download. I wanna download, okay, no problem. If you wanna save it, your code, and go to your panel, go to your wall hack. I don't have wall hack in the panel. If you look, I have just flea hack. Wait a minute for welding. If you know all code, I think yeah, the place, okay, you take it, switch, that's good, scope, that's good, that's replace, that's search, okay. If you take server, search, replace, R, C, search, okay. Now if you have big code like oh baby, yeah, that's fast loading, you take it like yeah, like that, but just copy your code like that and convert to C++, okay, and doing all code, no problem. Let's go now, and let's go wait to building my project, and wait. Okay, let's wait the building. Yeah, it's okay. If you look here, I don't have wall hack. I just speed hack. I want to change speed hack. Let's go to speed hack. Speed. I watch it. Yeah. I think. Yeah, that's one. Okay, I go example. I go to server, search to speed areas. That's what. Okay, that's right here. That's in C++. Don't convert if you see the code like x0x something. Don't change. Okay, don't change. That's C++. If you like that, that's C#. You can convert to C++. Okay, you can use or I search for author code like okay, let's search to speed hack. That's speed external. I want a speed hack easy normally. Okay, I can use this. If you cannot take your, I'll give example. You cannot see your code C# like that. Okay, you cannot see your code like that. Okay, if you see him, just copy the code and type here and convert, and type here and convert, and you take your code. Easy peasy. Okay, that's easy. And go to if you copy him, go to your website, not website, sorry, go to your Visual Studio and you take search. That's search. Okay, I go to okay like that and paste. Easy normally, easy peasy. And now what's now? We have replace. Okay, go to here in easy peasy. If you take it, if you see a code like I show you like that, just copy the code, easy, and C# to C++ and convert, easy, and copy and okay, that's easy peasy. If you take the code normally, easy, in the world, and that's code working. If you have code working, that's work in the panel 100%. If not working, just join server. I'll die. I send free code and save. Okay, I want to join the server and react maximum and like and subscribe. Okay guys, I see you and other video. Bye.